How to tune your car in CarX Street. Whether you want a smoother drifting, fast accelerator, or better grip for racing, tuning your car can make a huge difference. So first of all, open your CarX Street application on your device and log in. Once you're inside this main home screen, go to City option at the bottom right corner and go to the map icon at the top left. Now, once you're inside this map section, go ahead and tap the drop down on the left and click on this little settings kind of an icon and tap on this range icon and click on fast travel to get to the tune shop. You can go ahead and spend some dollars or watch a video to get to the tune shop. I'm just gonna spend some dollars over here to get faster. Now once you're inside the tune shop, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. CarX Street lets you tune the areas mentioned at the bottom of the screen. First, go to the engine option and select the area that you can tune in from the menu. Choose whatever you want to tune in and select the price option. Click on install. Go ahead and repeat this step for every other tuning you'll want to make. You can adjust turbo boost, fuel mixture, rev limit, ECU settings, etc. Select the area you want improvements on and then select the price range, and that way you will be able to tune in to your vehicle. So from there you will be able to tune in your vehicle or your car in CarX Street. Remember, you need to have enough in-game currency in order to do that. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.